The city's in the rear view, flickering like a bad dream. I'm leaving it all behind me, chasing a new sunbeam. They think the king is sleeping, buried in his gold. They'll find an empty palace, a story left untold. I left the keys to the kingdom on the desk of bloody lies. Let the next young wolf come claim his bastard prize. This ain't a retreat, now this here is a design. A final master stroke of this broken life of mine. On the last train, I'm breaking the chain, trading all this power for a drop of honest rain. The dice are thrown, the final bet's been made. I'm rewriting the ending of the mess that I have made. On the last train to a brand new name, leaving all the ghosts and all the gold and all the shame. I see my past in flashes with every post we pass. A memory of violence, a face behind the glass. Each mile that we're covering is a suture on a scar. I'm not who I was yesterday, I'm reaching for who we are. Got a new ID, burning a hole deep in my coat. This is my confession, this is my final note. I'm sacrificing legend for a chance to be a man. The simplest, most dangerous plan I've ever ran. On the last train, I'm breaking the chain, trading all this power for a drop of honest rain. The dice are thrown, the final bet's been made. I'm rewriting the ending of the mess that I have made. On the last train to a brand new name, leaving all the ghosts and all the gold and all the shame. I burned the map that led me here. I don't need it where I'm going. The weight is lifting, I can breathe again. For the first time in forever, I'm not afraid.